hate myself.
Herb. Slot.
Wow. Fucking tell me what to do, Father.
Neil.
Yes, fucking yes, please. Yes, yes.
The priest is quite hot.
So hot.
Oh, bastard! Sorry!
You don't understand. You don't understand this.
I don't believe in God.
What is that?
You okay, Father?
Oh, fuck you, Holy Father. Like it doesn't turn you on just to say it. Fuck you then. We're gonna have sex, huh?
I love you. No one's asked me a question in 45
So what
minutes.
do you do? The fuck? No, don't.